Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to talk about Binance Academy. Here is the term, and here you can see the interference, the initial interference. So what is this actually, and how we use it, and how it could be helpful for all of us, I will explain in this video. Okay, so take a look at this. I will zoom in, come all the way here. Take the Binance Academy course, level up your blockchain knowledge today. It is actually to educate you about the blockchain technology, Bitcoin, decentralization, Web3, and everything related to cryptocurrency and blockchain. Here we can find the table of content. Cryptocurrency 101 chapter 1 cryptocurrency 101. What is cryptocurrency? What makes cryptocurrency unique? Why is it called cryptocurrency? What is public key cryptography? And everything you need to know. The second chapter is how does blockchain works. This is a very interesting and very important topic. Whoever is in crypto market, whoever is investing in crypto, Web3, metaverse, or decentralized universe, he or she has to know about blockchain technology. So this will be entire course about blockchain technology. Then how can I invest in cryptocurrency? There are multiple ways. I've already explained a few of them, but you can find more here. And if you keep scrolling down, here are the table of contents. You can click anywhere to find the relevant course. But here's the introduction to cryptocurrency. I have a video on my channel about cryptocurrency introduction, but this article is also going to help you out. In this picture they are explaining decentralization, so I will definitely go through this because this is a very important thing. In a centralized working plan, we have one centralized server which serves everyone around, even you are close or you're far, you are whatever you're doing, but one central server is serving you. But if you talk about decentralization, we don't have a central server. There's nothing here. Even every single entity, every single person, every single PC involved in the working is the server. We call them nodes. Everyone works as a node. The data is transferred from anywhere to anywhere randomly. You cannot block it from anywhere. Even one of the PC, one of the system, like we can say this one is get blocked, it will not end the process. The process will continue from somewhere else. But if you stop this server from here, everything is going to shut down. So the cryptocurrency or the blockchain technology can never shut down. This is the important part. You can read all these articles if you know English, but if you know no English and you know another language, it's also available in multiple languages. I will try to find out how to go through this different language. Look at this, it have 428 articles. I would like to find out something like look at this. This is from a different language. This is look at this. These are different languages. It's actually available in more than I guess more than 100 languages or something, but I'm not sure. But you can find it here. You can find your relevant language here. It will help you a lot about when you want to study the blockchain technology and everything. It have 3 difficulty levels. Beginners, if you're very early start is your beginning, you can start from beginner course, then intermediate, and then advanced. But it will help you out with everything. Each article is of 9 minute, 10 minute, 5 minute of length. This is the time that it will take to go through this and read it, but the understanding it depends upon your mindset. So this is everything about the Crypto Academy. It will be helpful for you. Keep enjoying.